Hello my dear students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. Today we are discussing about keywords, identifiers and constants. What are keywords? Keywords are special reserved words which have special meaning to the compiler. Now, whenever we are saying the keywords, that is, these particular keywords help the system to maintain the memory and to specify the data type. C is a rich set of keywords. There are special 32 reserved keywords. Each having its own name, which are already the meaning of the particular keywords are known to the compiler. Now, whenever we are using the keywords, these reserved names help the program to understand the meaning of the particular purpose. For example, there are different keywords. Naming a few, we are having int, float, double, character, return, extern, main, all these are termed to be a keyword. So whenever a particular keyword, that is, if we are giving, for example, if we are giving integer, now whenever I am giving int, now what do you mean by int? Int is nothing but it is, in English, it is IN. Now, whenever you are adding T, it is nothing but it becomes a reserved word. Now, whenever it is reserved word is used within the program, what happens is the compiler assumes that this is a short form of a integer data type, and it will interpret that the user is about to use INT. That is, he is trying to define a particular variable name with a data type called INT. So, these reserved words, so for example, if you are saying that yes, I want to use certain reserved word, that is please and all that, that means they are already being defined. So these particular different definitions which are already included within the compiler is nothing but keyword. So if you can conclude, if I can conclude that, that is, what are keywords? Keywords are reserved words which help the compiler, which help the programmer to write the program where we can use the keywords and lessen our programming. One more point here which I want to emphasize here is, for example, whenever you are going for the keyword, reserved words like main, if you are using and if you are placing a small function symbol, that means it is the starting of the program. That means what follows now will be having certain structure and which you have to maintain. So these keywords are having some special meaning within the compiler, and these particular functions, these particular keywords are used in order to emphasize and make the work less. So next comes about the topic called, so if you can define the term keyword, what is a keyword? A keyword in C is a predefined reserved word that has specific meaning within the programming language. Every language has its own keywords. Within the particular language here, what happens is that particular keywords are, the meaning of that particular keyword is known to the compiler as well as the language, such that it is helping the user to execute the program. So these words cannot be used. So one more point which we have to emphasize here is, that is, it cannot be used. For example, if I want to use a, what do you mean by variable name? If I am using here the term, that is, these words cannot be used as variable names. If I am mentioning here, what is a variable? Variable is a term which will tell that it keeps on changing during the execution. That is, it keeps on adding the value. For example, in the previous statement, I told you that is int. Int is a data type with a name called x. So x is termed to be as a variable, and it is being defined with the keyword called int. That means I am telling it to the compiler, you please reserve 2 bytes of memory space, and you please give that particular memory space a name called x. So x is termed to be as a variable name. For example, if I am giving int x is equal to 5. Now, whenever I am giving int x is equal to 5, 5 is nothing but the value which is contained within x and which is of a particular keyword called, that is, it is int, that means it is a data type within the programming language of C. So int is nothing but it is a short form of integer, that means this variable can hold only integer values. So keywords are always, I am sure that it is understood, that is, keywords are always written in lowercase and are integral to the structure and syntax of C programming. So some of the keywords which are given to us are right now within the slide are, actually there are 32. To name a few we have been given here, that is int, float, return and while. The next topic talks about the constant. What is a constant? Constant is a term which changes, which doesn't change, that which doesn't change during the execution of a program. For example, 3x plus 5y. When I am saying 3x, given an expression that is 3x plus 5y, 3 and 5 are termed to be as constant and x and y are termed to be as variable names. For example, this, whenever I am writing it within this particular program, when I am writing this particular expression, that is 3x plus 5y, 3 doesn't change during the execution of the program nor the 5, but what changes will be, that is x and y. What is x here? X is termed to be as a variable and y are termed to be as variable. Now what I am doing here, when I am declaring it to the compiler int x comma y, that is x comma y is nothing but here they are being defined with a data type called integer, which will accept only integer values. So x and y are termed to be as variable names. During the execution of a program, they can take n number of values, but which belonging to the family called integer. That means it will accept only the numerical values. Either it can be, that is, it will accept only numbers, that is, either it can be plus or minus. Next comes with the topic of identifiers. What do you mean by an identifiers? Identifiers are nothing but the variable declaration. What do you mean by an identifier? Now when we talk of an identifier, we identify, that is, whenever we want to use any particular variable within the program, first we need to declare such that it has its own memory and we can make use of the particular memory within the program. Now for example, int a. Now a is said to be as a variable name, as I said it, or it can be identified with a name called a. So myself here, when I am identifying myself as a is nothing but a is a particular variable or an identifier which can be used within the program. For example, main, I am writing int a. So here I can take it up to okay, so here int ABC. ABC is termed to be as particular one word. ABC is belonging to a family of int, that is an integer. And this particular ABC is the term to be as an identifier. When we talk about, there are certain rules which have to be followed. That is, it should start with a variable name, or the rules to follow when you are naming an identifier are, that is, it should start with always an alphabet, or you can take only the special symbol called underscore. Apart from this, you cannot declare any particular identifier with a keyword name. For example, already I mentioned it, there are 32 reserved words which you cannot take it as the naming for identifier. So the rules for naming an identifier would be, that is, it should start with the alphabet most probably. There should not be any particular spaces, that is, spaces are not allowed because it allows garbage value. Next is, that is, it should always start with a letter and it can take either uppercase or lowercase, it doesn't matter. Then what happens is, whenever you're taking any special symbols are not allowed within a particular naming and identifier. So what is an identifier? Identifiers are used as variables within the program. Thank you. Please like and share CR Digital Classes.